I am using some random facts to catch your attention and want you to learn and improve. You can be a prove and better artist when you try consistently every day. Here are some random facts that will blow your mind. Leonardo da Vinci drew with both hands simultaneously. Doodling can improve focus and memory retention. Your brain fills in missing details in sketches. Sketching activates both hemispheres of the brain. Drawing upside down improves accuracy. Blind contour drawing boosts hand-eye coordination. Artists can sketch with unconventional materials like food. Michelangelo burned many of his sketches to hide his process. Sketching reduces stress and improves mental health. The oldest known sketch is over 73 years old. Some fashion designers sketch in the dark. Sketching helps improve memory by up to 30%. Picasso could sketch expressive figures in under 10 seconds. The ugly sketch phase is necessary for great art. NASA trains astronauts to sketch for better observation skills. You can be better at sketching when you try every day. First of all, try sketching straight lines and circles. This practice will help you with your sketching. As for me, I never sketch in my life. I will just play with color pencils, but somehow I will feel empty without the sketching, so I give it to try, and I was very bad at it. If you are trying to become a pro or trying just for fun, I suggest you should start drawing from reference. I never draw from reference and my sketches would be very bad. So I started drawing from reference and it helps a lot. After sketching things every day, you should also practice the straight lines and circles every day. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and it actually means a lot. See you guys in my next video.